This is the Vicks Warm Steam Humidifier. It's a vaporizer that steams out the water. You fill it with tap water and add a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon, or follow the directions if that doesn't work. The cylinder head has the actual steamer, and to get it to work, once you have your tub filled with water and a little salt in there, you line up this little fin and put it in that slot, and that's how you know you're lined up. You can get it all the way in there and then go from unlock to lock. So when you get it positioned where you want it, you plug it in and the green light comes on. There's a little medicine cup on top. You can use the Vicks solution in that, and there's 2 slots in the back for the Vicks Vapo tabs, which are sold separately. It has a very small fan in it that helps the steam come out, but most of it is naturally escaping because it's steam. The unit itself, there's no switch on it. You just have to power it on and off by unplugging it and plugging it back in. Here's a closer look at the vents and the medicine cup that sits on top of it. And again, the solution for that Vicks sells and it's sold separately. I didn't try it out yet. The steam itself is really effective. This is the only thing that helped me through the really dry winter and is again helping me during allergy season. One of the drawbacks of this is that the steam that comes out is really hot. It is steam after all. And so you want to position it somewhere away from any toddlers or kids or people who might not understand that steam coming out. I don't know if it will actually burn you, but it is steam and it is hot when it comes out. In fact, the entire unit gets heated, so the base that has the water in it, the tub itself, will also feel warm in the morning with any water left in it, just because the whole thing heats up. So that base is going to be pretty warm as well. So again, it's important where you position this. And that leads to the second thing, which is cleaning. You have to take it apart every morning and dump out the tub. And what you'll find inside is these little black dots, and they say in the manual that that's completely normal, that it's sediment that remains from your water. After the water's been steamed out, this is the dirt and minerals that are too big to be pushed out. So every morning you gotta empty that tub and take a clean dry cloth and just wipe it down to get all that out of there. And it's a little inconvenient as well because there is no easy way to get the remaining little bit of water out, so you really have to shake that thing upside down to get that out. I haven't found a trick on that yet. The other thing to note here, there's a thorough drying routine they recommend, and I'll link to their video on how that works, that you can do on a more regular basis. That includes things like vinegar and whatnot. I usually take the base when I'm done and bring it over to a sunny spot and let the sun bake off anything else. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or forward it to somebody else who you think might find it useful. Thanks again for watching.